Want to make a difference? Here's how to start a charity fundraiser on Cash App in minute. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what is a charity fundraiser on Cash App? Cash App allows users to raise money for causes they care about by setting up a fundraiser page that others can donate to easily. And here's how to set up a charity fundraiser. Launch the Cash App on your phone, then tap the icon at the bottom to access your balance and card. Now look for the fundraiser option in the menu, then enter your fundraiser details such as name your fundraiser, then charity or cause you support, and lastly goal amount you want to raise. And the last tab is share your fundraiser. Cash App will give you a link and share options to send your fundraiser to friends, family, and social media. And here are some tips for a successful fundraiser. Use clear and heartfelt descriptions, share frequently on social media, and update supporters with progress and thanks donor publicly. And here are some important notes. Make sure to verify the charity if you're raising money on behalf of an organization, and keep your fundraiser transparent and honest. And that's it. Raise fund, spread love, change lives with all Cash App Easy Fundraiser feature. And if this video helped you out, like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.